Welcome to our journey through the enchanting history of Valentine's Day, a celebration of love and affection across the globe. In ancient Rome, the roots of Valentine's Day began with the festival of Lupercalia, a celebration of fertility held in mid-February. As Christianity spread, the festival transformed. By the end of the 5th century, Pope Gelasius declared February 14th as Saint Valentine's Day. But who was Street Valentine? The day gets its name from a priest who performed secret weddings against the emperor's decree. Centuries passed, and the tradition evolved. By the Middle Ages, Valentine's Day became associated with romantic love in England and France. Fast forward to today, and Valentine's Day is celebrated with cards, chocolates, and flowers, echoing the customs of courtly love. This rich tapestry of history shows us that Valentine's Day is not just a commercial holiday but a deep-seated cultural tradition.